All right, this is how the application get by far at this point. This is very strange. I it is like a ghost document. I don't know. I believe it was something in a it was something I did in a gap before, and in the process of making some change in some function, I did that, and it get a ghost document there. But I don't know what. For example, I added this. Let's add a new one. Emilia. Uh, let's put anything here. Save. Okay, here is Emilia. View. It will go anywhere because the URL, la URL, it was anything. Let's edit it again. Emilia 2. Okay, it was added. Let's go to the Firebase. Firebase, yeah. It was in contacts, right? Yeah, no, documents. Documents. Let's try to see. What's here? Emilia 2. Everything is working with the document. Let's delete it. Emilia. Let's delete. I can delete this. Let's delete mine. Let's see in the Firebase. It is gone. So this is working. There's a little error here. I don't know how to fix it. Messages. Messages is the worst. I don't know why. In some moment this was working better, but for some reason if I start to make clicks, it appears. Sometimes it appears with the subject name here. I don't know. Don't really know what happened. But at least I can add some more document. For example, I can add here. I don't. I need to click. I don't know. I tried to fix it. I don't know how to do it. So let's go to Firebase. Let's go to messages. Now let's see this. Ooh la la, one Lolo. It is adding. Let's try to delete one. And I can't delete. They can't delete anything because I have no buttons to. I have no a delete function in the service. I have not delete anything. I know it is a delete here, but it is not working. Just that it is not working. I don't know why. I don't know. There is a delete, but I don't have. I have any button attached with this function. I don't know if I missed something or it will come in next week, but I don't have the buttons. I believe it will work fine. Maybe you can try with adding a button there, but maybe it should be working because it is the same as the documents and the content. It needs to be working. You go to the context, put a new letter. Okay, we can edit. Save. It is saved. Let's go to the Firebase. Contacts. I don't know what it. Yeah, I added here. What is it? I don't remember what it. Bradley Armstrong. Impossible to know what is the ID of this. What is the ID? Maybe it's this one. Bradley, yeah. Is it Bradley Armstrong? Maybe I can see the ID. Maybe, I don't really know. There's many errors. I don't know that. This error, I tried to fix it hours ago. I don't know how it is, what it is. I can see that the ID. I'm not so smart, but it is working. I believe if I try to find it, I will find maybe this. Lee Barney, la la la, Craig, Meet, McLaren. Ah, this will be very. Was this one? No. Barley Armstrong. Armstrong. It's, for example, here there are mine, and the content, yeah, some the other one I just, for example, put my name, my letter here. Here is mine, so it is working. This is one of the last contacts I put. Yeah, it is working well. It is working. So that's it. Oh, sorry, it was a very long video. I can add a new one because I added here. But okay, some errors like this one, I need to fix that. Now, now the subject are here. I don't know what happened. What is the problem? Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.